To check your Pluxee card balance on your phone. 1. Download and open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Log in using your registered mobile number or email address. 3. Once you are on the home screen, tap My Cards or select your Pluxee card from the list. 4. Your current balance will appear instantly on the screen under your card number. 5. Tap Transaction History or View Details to see all your recent purchases and remaining funds. 6. If you have multiple cards, swipe left or right to check each card's individual balance. 7. You can also turn on notifications in the app to get instant alerts every time you use your card. 8. For backup, you can visit the Pluxee website and log in with your card number to check your balance.